columnar joint made by ashes or from lava volcano.
Can you take picture of all of us from this direction?
Look at the columns over there. Wow.
올라와. 올라와,
It's
올라와.
all down there. Those columns were probably formed approximately 140,000 years ago, and it's formed by lava touching the cool ocean water. Instructions on how to use the toilet. Sweet potato, cabbage, onions, chicken. What is this place called?
천재연포.
Okay. 천재연포. Oh, there it is.
천재연폭포.
Oh, it's falls. Pokpo means waterfall?
폭포 waterfall.
Ah. Subtropical forest area at Cheongjaeyeon Waterfall. Gotta go down all these stairs to get to the waterfall, which means we're gonna have to climb back up these stairs to get back out of here. It's a good workout. Wow, is that water down there? I'm looking over there. It's so blue. Wow, so pretty. Look at how blue the water is. This is so beautiful. Look at how clear this water is. So nice. And the water that we're hearing is just that small waterfall in there. She's not gonna make it. She's not gonna make it, y'all. It is a lot of stairs and they're kind of uneven, so it's a little harder. You can do it, ma. Fighting.
화이팅, 화이팅.
Exercise. So beautiful. Wow. Wow, that's awesome. I want to go swimming. I'm hot. Now we're going back up.
너무 높아.
All right, Mom. Do your victory dance. You made it to the top. Oh, it feels good up here. Look at how green it is. So much forest. Oh, shoot. It's got the ocean and palm trees. My mom, Kay, Mom's gonna rest while we venture out on these stairs. The lady said there's about 5 or 6 of these, so we'll see. On their way up, they look like they're about to die. Moment of truth. Were all these stairs worth the trip? This is the end. Honestly, I feel like the other one was better. The other one was better, I think, because we were closer to it. You okay?
We're not tired.
Oh, we're not tired?
Photo.
Yeah, just photo break.
Photo.
Picture time. We can do it. There's a guy behind us, keeps taking pictures of us. I was walking up the stairs and he was shooting pictures. This guy.
Hello?
Shoot. Taking pictures of me. I'm gonna take video of you.
Bye.
Bye bye. This beach, you can walk way out there. This is all water. We just got to a park. It's called Hanlim, which is Hanlim Park. So we're waiting to get tickets now.
Laughing Pearl. You ever see that?
Nope. I want him to move.
Okay, American Hermit.
There's a python. I'm not about the snakes. I'm not about the snakes. This is where we are. Tropical Hanlim Park.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the colors. It's amazing. This is amazing. So many different kinds of cacti. I'm kind of angry actually. Is he holding on to the feather?
Cactus.
Cactus?
Cactus. 이거 한 잔씩 마실까?
That's interesting. It tastes like a flower, but it's not that. Jeju lava caves. We're inside. Okay, it's gonna be really hard for me to get much video in here. It's so dark. Well, that was it. There wasn't a whole lot to see in the cave, unfortunately. 2 soft serves, green tea and grape. How's it, Ma? Good.
Green tea and there's grape.
This is good.
You're not gonna like that one after this one.
It's alright. It's the bonsai and stone garden. This is nice. This is a beautiful tree. We're like running now because our taxi man is finished at 6 and we have 4 minutes till 6.
He said take your time though.
Yeah, he told us he doesn't care if we come back at 6.
But we gotta do for him.
Yeah, we still feel bad, like we don't want him to be too over his time. So.
You know, so you gotta have a time to take us. Oh.
Yeah, it's like a 30-40 minute drive to go back to our hotel, so we gotta hurry up. Look at the faces on these rocks.
This is naturally, you know? That's not natural. Somebody did that.
Mom.
Really?
We are in a village now. What's the village called, Ma?
Minnesota village.
Yep, limbo time.
Buddy.
I'm gonna get on the horsey.
You wanna get on it?
I'm gonna get on
I
it.
guess we're about to.
Yeah. You too. Dig-a-dick, dig-a-duck. Dig-a-dick, dig-a-dick. I got it, Mom. We just finished eating. We had chicken. And is that all we did? Yeah, I think that's all. Oh, Angela tried to get her pictures back. She deleted by accident 900 and something pictures from today. From today's journey, and she was very upset, so she was trying to see if she could retrieve them, but she couldn't. So yeah, and we got chicken. I'm so tired, but we only have one more full day here, so I'm trying to enjoy it. So Mom and I are going to the store because I want some bubbles for a bubble bath, and then we're gonna go to the casino. We have a Mon 1 limit, 10,000 won. That's it. People always ask me, are you a basketball player, like professional? And I will usually say, no, I'm not, or I just like it, but no. But when the guy in the convenience store asked me, I was like, yeah, I'm a professional basketball player. Yeah. He looks at my mom, really? My mom says, yeah. So that's gonna be my new thing, just tell people, yeah, professional basketball player. We just left the casino. I lost 5,000 won, which is like $5. But it's good. Mama won. That's all that matters. Mom won. Little kids. Joppa, Joppa. She's trying to capture her. She's gonna lock the door. I thought she was gonna lock the door. But yeah, so Mom won, put in 5, and she ended up winning 7 back. Well, she won 12 total, but 7 more than what she put in. Does that make sense? She gained 7,001. So that was nice. I don't know how to play slots and stuff though. We were just pushing buttons and hoping that we won something. So it was cool. The lady tried to get me on my camera though. She's like, did you take pictures? And I was like, no, because I didn't. I took pictures of my mom before we went in the casino. And I'm about to take a bath, and then we're gonna call it a night. So I will see y'all tomorrow.